This quote is a definition of love from Delai Lama. To those of you looking for love, and to those of you who are already in love, when Delai Lama was asked that what is love, and he said, love is the absence of judgment. The meaning of that definition is, if you really love somebody, you will not conclude on things that you just hear or perceive or think, but instead you will dig down to find out the mistake of somebody, the strength and the weaknesses. And once you're found, you will not judge. You will have that considerate limit that everyone do make mistakes under the sunshine. So to love is to remove judgment away. If I tell you that I don't love you, I think there are reasons, and those reasons are definitely judgments. So if I love you, then I should remove judgment. That's a message from the Dalai Lama. Thank you.